Accidents can be costly for organizations because there are direct, indirect, and immeasurable costs associated with occupational safety hazards. Let's take a look. Well-designed and effectively managed safety programs can result in reduced accidents and associated costs. Further, a variety of safety problems can decline as a result of management's efforts to emphasize a safe work environment. Companies that proactively manage safety efforts tend to perform better financially than those who do not. Often, the difference between high-performance firms with good occupational safety records and other firms is that the former have effective safety management programs. Organizations with effective safety management programs take many of the following steps to reduce accidents. At the heart of safety management is an organizational commitment to a comprehensive safety effort that should be coordinated at the top level of management and include all members of the organization. The actions of managers should also support that effort. Balancing the competing demands for safety and productivity can be difficult, especially for frontline supervisors. Executives must effectively lead efforts to establish a culture that emphasizes safety as the highest priority. Designing safety policies and rules along with disciplining violators are important components of safety efforts. Frequently reinforcing the need for safe behavior and frequently supplying feedback on positive safety practices are also effective ways of improving worker safety. Such safety-conscious efforts must involve employees, supervisors and managers, safety specialists, and HR personnel. Accidents in the workplace are often reduced with safety training that's conducted in various ways. Regular sessions with supervisors, managers, and employees can be coordinated by HR staff members. Communicating about safety procedures, reasons accidents occurred, and what to do in an emergency is critical. Without effective communication about safety, training is insufficient. To reinforce safety training, continuous communication to develop safety consciousness is necessary. Many companies hold brief monthly safety meetings conducted by frontline supervisors. Employees frequently participate in safety planning through safety committees, which are often comprised of workers from a variety of levels and departments. A safety committee generally meets at regularly scheduled times, has specific responsibilities for conducting safety reviews, identifying risks, and making recommendations for changes necessary to avoid future accidents. At least one member of the committee usually comes from the HR department. Some best practices for utilizing safety committees include the following: leadership involvement. Senior leaders need to endorse and support safety committee efforts. Middle managers and frontline supervisors must actively assist in committee and address their concerns. Committee selection. To ensure commitment, employees who are already safety advocates should be assigned to the committee. Member terms should be staggered to provide a fresh perspective and continuous energy. Committee structure. Typically, equal representation from management and employees keeps the committee in balance. It is not necessary to wait for an OSHA inspector to check the work area for safety hazards. Regular inspections can be performed by a safety committee or by a company safety coordinator. Problem areas should be addressed immediately to prevent accidents and keep the work productivity at the highest possible levels. Also, OSHA inspects organizations with above average rates of lost workdays more frequently. Therefore, reducing accidents can lower the frequency of on-site OSHA visits. Ergonomics is the study and design of the work environment to address physical demands placed on individuals as they perform their jobs. The primary goal is to make work more human-friendly and to reduce work-related injuries, particularly repetitive motion problems. In a work setting, ergonomic studies look at factors such as fatigue, lighting, tools, equipment layout, and placement of controls. Ergonomics can provide economic value to employers by reducing injuries. Organizations should monitor and evaluate their safety efforts. Just as organizational accounting records are audited, a firm's safety efforts should be audited as well.